Okay guys, so finally decided to get the iPad Pro 11-inch keyboard. I've had the iPad Pro now for a few months and I think it has been holding me back not having a keyboard. I've been using the Apple Smart Cover, but I finally took the plunge. So this is for the 11-inch one and it is in white. So we'll have a look at that in a second. Let's just check what's in the box first. So you get a bit of instructions and a bit of padding, so there's nothing really in there. So here we go. Comes with a trackpad as well, which I think is really cool. And it's got a keyboard here. It's got a USB-C power connector, so when you're using it, it can charge. And this is the connectors there. So as you can see, it's quite a nice compact design. It's quite heavy, but it's not too heavy. I think when you use this and an iPad, it brings it about the same weight as a MacBook Air. Okay, so what you need to do is just line up these three bits here, the connectors, and just do that. And now you can use the trackpad. You can see that mouse is there. Okay, so let's go ahead and create a Pages document just to try it out. So now it's typing. So I have to say it's a nice feel. The touchpad works well, and it's dead easy just to lift off, put back on. It gives you that real estate, and you can use, for example, if you're doing video editing or anything like that, you can use the keyboard shortcuts. Wait for this white. There's something different. I've had the iPad Pro before with a black one, but this, yeah, it's a nice colour. And the keyboard, the trackpad gestures work. Yep, so there you go. That's a quick review of the iPad Pro Magic Keyboard.